The Tuffcare universal slings are designed for patients that are partially dependent and are able to hold their heads up and maintain their upper body strength. This product is compatible with the Tuffcare electric and manual Rhino lift. The ultra-soft material inside the Tuffcare universal sling provides exceptional comfort. Straps are color coordinated based on the height you would like to raise your patient. And it also changes the angle. There are also handles on the back which can be used to guide the patient, making sure they are seated properly. The divided leg open position is used for bathing, toileting, cleaning, and changing, and when care delivery is needed. This is suggested to be used for men. First, wrap the universal sling around the patient's torso, then wrap the bottom straps around their thighs. Divided leg crossover position is the most common position. This is great for bathing, toileting, and transfer from lying down to seating. The crossover straps provide patients with more security. Wrap the universal sling around the patient's torso. Move the straps in the back and place them in the front. Wrap the other straps beneath their thigh and loop one strap through the other. The closed leg position is great for transfer from lying down to seating, and vice versa. First, wrap the universal sling around the patient's torso. Move the straps in the back and place them in the front while you are wrapping the other straps beneath their thigh. Hang all the straps onto the swivel bar hooks, balancing out the weight. Raise the Rhino lift in order to elevate your patient. Leaning back while the machine is in use will provide stability and comfort. Step on the pedal to open up the fork. Move the patient to your desired location. Once done, lower patient using the controller. Use the handles to guide the patient, making sure they are seated properly. Detach the straps from both ends of the swivel bar. Undo the straps and slide the sling out from the back.